effect at this facility at all times. Acts of aggression will be met with an appropriate response. This is a message to all commanders. Please reduce your speed while maneuvering your ship inside the docking bay. In order to keep bay traffic flowing smoothly, please follow standard operating procedures and request docking permission before entering the starport.
Alrighty, hello again, this is Trace Majestus, and we're back in Elite Dangerous Odyssey, back to engineering the fleet and
For peace of mind, please stow ship weapons while inside the docking bay.
collecting materials to continue engineering the fleet, so let's get in game and get things rolling. Hello Tacita and hello Zoltor, welcome back guys. Alright, so yesterday we did pharmaceutical isolators, military alloys, and military supercapacitors. So I'm guessing today we probably want to do the Proto-Light and Proto-Radiolic alloys. And, well, Proto-Radiolic alloys and the Proto-Heat regulators. The Protos! Oh, don't have any Protos left. Okay. Galaxy map. Hello, James. Welcome back. So, I've already targeted a system near here. Would help if I had the right secondary app up. Artemis. Right nearby. Okay, make sure we have plenty of limpets, which we do. And away we go. Retract landing gear.
Ship release. Watch for oncoming traffic when passing through the airlock.
Frameshift drive charging.
All clear. Flight control out.
4, 3, 2, 1. Engage. Fuel scooping complete.
Nice.
Frameshift drive charging. 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage.
Hello, Mr. Mad Hatter. Welcome back. Well, quite a few signal sources, but no high grades. Oh, I forgot to. Galaxy map.
Here's the galaxy map, Commander.
Yeah, hit and miss.
Frameshift drive charging.
But given the number of signal sources, that one had a pretty good probability of having one.
4, 3, 2, 1. Engage.
Hey, now you're getting to do real colonization there, Zoltor.
Fuel scooping.
Yeah, it might.
Fuel scooping complete. charging. 4, 3, 2, 1, engage. Warning, temperature critical.
Boy, that one's a long ways out there. Well, it's the right state. Yep, that's a long walk.
Warning, temperature critical.
Mm-hmm.
Warning, temperature critical.
Yep, pretty much.
Warning, temperature critical.
Wow. It's using a lot of fuel. Well, I'm only going to one high grade in this system unless that other one's really close. So that's just way too much fuel. I don't think you could do a hut and run in this. You know, I may put a bit large fuel tank on this thing. Wow. Proto heat radiators.
Cargo scoop deployed. Programming limpet drone. 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 Programming limpet drone.
No, I got the stock tank on it. But I may put an additional fuel tank on it just for runs like this. Holy crow.
Limpet drone error.
Galaxy
Deploy
map.
cargo hatch.
Here's the galaxy
Cargo
map,
scoop
Commander.
retracted. Limpet drone error. Deploy cargo hatch.
Go back to Artemis. Maybe. How about... Really? It thinks I can jump that? Okay. Hello, Baz. Welcome back.
Cannot comply. Frameshift drive charging.
Oh, easily. Okay.
Four, three, two, one. Engage. Fuel scooping.
Hello, Killer Bees. Welcome back.
complete.
Well, at least I didn't have to buy all that fuel.
Frameshift drive charging. 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage. Warning, temperature critical.
At least this one's a lot closer. Nope, heat radiators again.
Frameshift drive charging. 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage.
That's what we want.
Cargo scoop deployed. Programming limpet drone. 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 Programming limpet drone.
Alright, need one more.
Cargo scoop retracted. Frameshift drive charging. 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage. Warning. Temperature critical.
One of my better ones. Excellent. All right.
Cargo scoop deployed. Programming Programming limpet drone. Collector limpet expired. Programming limpet drone.
Alright. Improvised components. Civil unrest. Alright, they're full.
Limpet drone error. Deploy cargo hatch. Cargo
Galaxy
scope
map.
retracted.
Here's the galaxy
Limpet
map,
drone
Commander.
error. Deploy cargo hatch. Frameshift drive charging. Four, three, two, one. Engage. Fuel scooping. Fuel scoop disengaged. Frameshift drive charging. Four, three, two, one. Engage. Warning. Temperature critical. Fuel scooping. Fuel scoop disengaged.
Busy nav beacon.
Frameshift drive charging. Four, three, two, one. Engage.
Alright, well, not this system. Galaxy map.
Here's the galaxy map, Commander.
Try one, maybe two more.
Frameshift drive charging.
Yeah.
3, 2,
Cargo scoop extended.
engage.
I'll walk through what I did on this for a build when I get when I put just before I when I go to park for the night.
Fuel scooping.
But I may modify the build a little bit and replace one of the remaining cargo racks with a fuel tank just for a little bit of extended range.
Fuel scooping complete.
Since I'm only carrying 400 lipids. It's not like
drive charging.
It's not like I'm filling even one cargo bay at the moment.
Frameshift drive charging. Fuel scooping. Fuel scooping complete. Frameshift drive charging. 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage. Warning. Temperature critical.
That's the correct state. Plenty of time remaining too. Heat radiators? That's not what's supposed to be here. Okay. Galaxy map.
Here's the galaxy map, Commander.
No, that's not going to be a good system. Make sure I've got the right search here. Civil unrest. Yes. Kunji. Really? Wow.
Frameshift drive charging. 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage. Frameshift drive charging. Frameshift drive operating beyond safety limits. Frameshift drive supercharged. Frameshift drive charging.
No, looks better.
4, 3, 2, 1. Engage. Fuel scooping. Fuel scoop disengaged. Fuel scooping.
Hello, Mr. Thorpe. Welcome back.
Fuel scoop disengaged. Frameshift drive charging. 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage.
None. Well, it's also 9 o'clock. System map. I did start a little late, yeah. But I've only got 3 more materials to go, so. And I look down and miss my window. So here we go, loop-de-loo. Here we go, loop-de-lie. Here we go, loop-de-loo. All on a Monday night. Executing the loop of shame. Dang it. Open hailing frequencies.
Please comply with established
Requesting
docking
docking
procedures,
permission.
Commander. Access granted. Clear for landing on docking bay 3-2.
Deploy landing gear.
Landing gear deployed.
Landing gear deployed.
Touchdown confirmed. Dispatching ground crew. Security forces are on the lookout for dissidents in this area, Commander. I would advise you don't provoke them.
Alrighty, just because we had a couple of questions on my loadout, let's go through it. Hard points. All beams. All efficient. And the smaller ones flow control, everything else thermal vent. Oh, Well, no, the big one. What have I done? Oversized thermal vents for the mediums. Okay. So oversized for the big ones, thermal vent for the medium ones, and flow control for the small ones. Shield boosters. Resistance and thermo. Equal mix. And a couple of point defense with the extra ammo. Lightweight alloys because I hope never to need it. It flies very well, Zoltor. Okay, so overcharged power plant with thermal spread because, well, heat. I'm sure you heard a few times tonight. Having it complain about heat. Same thing with the thrusters, using the drive distributors to get less heat than drag drives. FSD, pre-engineered with mass manager, life support, lightweight, power distributor, charge enhanced superconduit, sensors, lightweight, and the standard 7C fuel tank. Nothing special there, really. All right, so in here we've got the special rack has the 8D rack in it. The other 8. No, with everything I've got on here, it's good. It just has, every once in a while it'll jump, during most jumps it'll just edge into the warning, and it backs off real quick. So the 2 special cargo rack slots have the special cargo racks, 7A multi-limpet controller, 7A shield, which enhanced low power fast charge, 6A fuel scoop, because fuel, cargo racks, grade 5 FSD booster, a collector limpet, which is lightweight, anti-corrosion cargo rack, just in case I go over and get stuff that can corrode, more cargo racks, and yeah, that's it. So one of the things I'm considering doing is replacing one of these other cargo racks here with, what was I thinking? Oh, an extra fuel tank. So I could go with a 6 fuel tank. Hey, Majestic. Best use. Well, okay. There's 2 things that it's extremely good at. The first of all is straight up hauling cargo. The second thing is collecting manufactured engineering materials. Those 2 things it absolutely excels at. You can also set it up in a hedgehog configuration to be a basically anti-pirate behemoth tank. For me to do that properly in this, I would swap the 7A shield for an 8A shield, or maybe an 8C biweave, just for the quick regen. So it's got 3 things that it's actually pretty darn good at. I might just get rid of my Type 10, just because I've got that set up for Hedgehog, and this is a better Hedgehog. And I mean, it's better cargo carrying than my cutter. It's in the configuration I've got it right here. If I get jumped by pirates, they don't stand a chance. It's just too darn good. So, plus, if I decide that they're hitting me too hard, well, this thing's actually tanky enough once its shields go down, even with only lightweight alloys, to just bug out without taking too much damage. So it is an incredible, incredible carrying machine. And it handles pirates pretty well. Hello, Odie. Welcome to the channel. The Panther Clipper is not that fast, but it is very smooth handling. Sure. Actually, C isn't going to help me. That's what I want. Oh, I should go pull up the engineering on the shield, because I did shield a little differently here. No, I did. Enhanced fast charge, yep. You'll notice the resistances are all positive. Which is due to the mix of the shield boosters I've got. So resistance augmented drives them all up. So I've got 2 resistance augmented and 2 that are thermal. Because what shields are weakest to is the lasers, which is a thermal damage. So the extra 10 points on each of those 2 of thermal resistance is really, really useful. Now, if I was going to have this thing as a dedicated hedgehog, I'd get rid of the point, at least one of the point defenses, put more shield boosters on it, change the shield to an 8C biweave to give it a faster regen. And probably get rid of most of the cargo racks, replace them with Guardian shield boosters. Don't think I'd need the frameshift drive. Certainly not going to need limpets. But basically, I'd just do a bunch to add to shields. The other thing I would do with that is I was actually change over from beams to pulse and do what I did on Darkwing's one, which is heavy-duty pulse lasers. Because the beams will run my distributor out of out of power really quick. These things are energy hogs. So if you saw during the cargo CG that we just had, I had to I couldn't just sit there and do a standard hedgehog and just do unattended, set it to fire at whatever shoots me. I had to set it to target, and then I had to control when it's shooting, when it's not shooting. Its firing arcs are pretty good. And when I did the same thing with Darkwing, I did that with pulse lasers, and the heat was very good. So if I was going to do, for actual cargo carrying and defending myself with cargo carrying, I think the beams are a better option because I'm going to be targeted. And yes, I need the tester railguns after I finish engineering my fleet. I've only got 3 ships left, and then I will do a railgun test. So I've got to do Fill It and Go, the Python Mark II, which I haven't named yet, and the other Vulture which I haven't decided what to do with. Maybe I won't finish that one yet. Maybe I'll save that for some other time. But what I'll probably do is I'll take the railguns and I'll put them on the Corsair, adjust the weapons loadout on the Corsair, and I'm already pretty sure I know what that's going to do. What I also might do, I might go to put them on longbow, my Anaconda, my railgun Anaconda, swap out the largest weapon slot for beams so I can take down shields easily, and see what I can do with, what's it, 5 or 6 railguns popping, popping ships. But, like I said, first I need to, finish collecting the engineering materials here and finish off at least 2 of the other ships. Maybe I'll put them on the Python Mark II. That might be interesting. Anyway, what I should do for those in the discard is I should take my entire fleet and put links to everything I built in the ship build section. So maybe I'll start working on that on the off time. I want to do thermal vent on the lasers too, because I want to use that for heat control. What am I doing? Okay, that's fine. Alrighty. In any case, it is a work night. I do have to drive into work in the morning, so I have to get up at an ungodly hour of the morning. So I guess that's all I have time for tonight. So at this point, I'd like to thank everyone who came along for the ride this evening. It was great having you all along. In the stream chat, we have Tacita, Zoltor, James, Mr. Mad Hatter, Baz, Killer Bees, Mr. Thorpe, Majestic Peanut Butter and Jelly Cat, ODAI, and once again, Odie, welcome to the channel. Oh, hello, Mystique. Welcome to the channel, and thank you for joining us. Alrighty. I think that's everybody. If I missed you, I'm sorry. I didn't intend to. It's a reasonably active chat tonight. I really do appreciate that, guys. All right. Like I said, we have run out of time for the evening, so we're going to leave things here. Pick it up again tomorrow night, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all for now. This is Trice Majestus, signing out.